Hey, welcome guys. In this video, we're doing an unboxing of the Dell XPS 13 9370 to be exact. This is the 2018 model. So you will see some things that are kind of just floating around outside the box. So the reason that happened is because Dell sent a cardboard plain box that I thought it was a delivery box, and it had these items inside kind of buried underneath the black box. So I just opened that up and thought, hey, that's it. But that's why you're seeing contents already out. So the first object I showed you was a USB-C to USB-A 3.0 particularly fitting. I believe this laptop is a full USB-C model. So that means there's nothing but USB-C ports available. There's no USB-A ports at all. So the next item I'm going to be taking out is, of course, the charging wire. This is the one that goes into a power outlet in the wall. And after that, we have the actual brick itself. It's really tiny. This is way smaller than I thought it would be. That's not a bad thing. This is great, especially if you travel a lot. Those of you who don't travel, trust me, when you travel a lot, it can be very annoying. The more space you can save, the better. And so I'm glad to see that Dell made it this tiny. I'm really surprised, especially considering that this laptop can hold a quad-core processor. It can go up to, I think, beyond 16 gigs of RAM. I know particularly I have 16 gigs of RAM. So considering it's powering such a beefy machine, it's quite impressive that they did this. So again, the charging wire at the other end for the laptop itself is USB-C. There you go, my camera finally focused. So I just want to show you guys that. Okay, so this box was inside the giant cardboard box. Again, that's why the items are split. I didn't know that Dell had split it up. So here's the actual laptop box within a box, if that makes sense. So here's the laptop itself, looking very sleek. It's a little heavier than I thought. Not a big deal. It's just slightly heavier than the 7370, if I'm not mistaken, the Dell Latitude, just by a little bit, not a lot. So I just wanted to zoom out the camera a little bit so you guys can get a better view of the laptop. So my version is the silver metallic version on the exterior and carbon fiber black finish on the inside. So I can see some of the ports. Looks to be a SD card reader port and a USB-C. There is another version. It's rose gold and then white on the interior, which is a little bit more expensive, so I opted to get this one instead. I just like the carbon fiber look anyway. So man, just opening it up, it looks really sleek, and the screen is not even on yet. So kind of digging this already. So let's see what kind of pamphlets we have. So it looks to be like a quick start guide, how to connect the charger rather, and how to locate Dell apps within Windows. I'm not really a fan of manufacturer apps, but the Dell Support Assist app to auto update drivers is actually pretty good. It works surprisingly well. So what is this? This is used by 100% recycled plastics and 25% for motions. Huh, nice. I like to see just a little touch of that. It might be boasting on Dell, but hey, at least I know that they're using recycled materials, which is kind of nice to know, right? Especially because it's from the ocean, some of it, because it can get pretty polluted out there. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to do an actual review video. You'll find a link to that in the video description. Just kind of messing around with the keyboard. I'm liking it so far. But anyway, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it does help, and thanks for watching.